to deposit money on Underdog Fantasy. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to deposit your money on Underdog Fantasy. So I'm going to show you the exact process. So first of all, you have to click on the deposit on the top right corner of your screen, and after that just choose your preferred method of payment. Like you can choose PayPal, debit card, credit card, and then just you need to enter all your required information. If you are using PayPal, just log into your PayPal account, or if you're using debit card or credit card, just mention your card details, and after that just choose the amount you would like to deposit. The minimum deposit requirement in your Underdog Fantasy account would be $10. So in order to complete the transaction, once everything looks right on the screen, just tap on the deposit icon, and after that just click on confirm to confirm your transaction, and deposit will be immediately proceeded and your fund will be instantly credited to your account. And then you can start drafting team and making picks and entering constant for chance to big win. So this is basically how you will be able to deposit money on Underdog Fantasy. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.